Did this $5 billion Bitcoin whale spark the post-ETF crash of Bitcoin? Manipulation is everywhere. Manipulation is literally in every market on planet Earth. But when it comes to Bitcoin, manipulation is on another level. It's on a different stratosphere. And with Bitcoin and manipulation running rampant across the entire crypto stratosphere, what is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? This has everyone's attention and drawing the attention of worldwide crypto enthusiasts. But here's where it goes wrong, because you are being lied to about this and other manipulation that's been happening in Bitcoin. The lies need to stop, and here is the truth. To show love, I'm making a free altcoin trade alert bonus video. This will be emailed directly to you if you're on my email list. If you're not, you better sign up right now. It takes 3 seconds and it's free. On top of that, for free, you're also going to get behind the scenes charts that are not shown here on YouTube. And as you love, altcoin trade alert setups that are not shown here, emailed directly to you every week for free. No hidden charges, none of that BS. Just awesome stuff for free. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out on this. Welcome in if you're new. My name is Steve. On this channel, we don't take any paid ads, no paid sponsorships, no paid affiliate links down below. What do we do instead? We talk about cold, hard facts that actually help you. The only thing I ask in return is that you hit that subscribe button and put a thumbs up. Let's jump into the video. So we have an article here, a $5 billion Bitcoin whale sparking debates of manipulation. Because what happened was this Bitcoin whale bought Bitcoin on the way up in 2021, like an idiot. But he bought around this candle here, okay? So around this candle in February-ish timeframe, 2021, right? He bought and he held. He held through this market cycle high when everyone said that we were going to go way over 100K, and we had a double top, we had bearish divergence, and we crashed down, and he was still holding. He held through this whole turmoil here, probably having many, many sleepless nights. Okay, holding through this bear market, that is diamond hands. Right away, you got to give credit where credit is due. And this Bitcoin whale that bought $5 billion of Bitcoin and saw his net worth plummet in prices, that is a deep sweat for many, many nights. But he held strong. He held strong maybe because he watches my videos and we said that the bottom was in. We said that there was incredibly strong bullish divergence. We used this chart right here that said June was this market low. That was our bottom. November was our double bottom. Maybe he watches our channels. But regardless, what happened to him was pretty interesting, because he held through this time. We went into a bull run starting back in January, and he was waiting for the perfect opportunity. And again, this is where I have an inkling that I'll unveil to you in a moment. But the prices started going crazy, right? We went into phase 1 of the bull. We went sideways for about 200 days, and then we entered phase 2 of the bull, which rallied us up here. Now, when we were back here in this candle, we didn't know about the ETF, and the Bitcoin whale didn't know what would happen to the ETF yet. Nobody knew what was going to happen in the market. However, back then, when we were at this candle back here and nobody knew what was going on or where this thing would take us, this is what we had to say about this chart. Roll the clip. It's likely that Bitcoin is going to have a rally over the next couple months up to this 0.78, and it's highly likely that we're going to be met with resistance at this level. Again, 2019, 25% of a correction. In 2015, it was a 40% correction. So it's a very good place to take profits. It's also based on the Fibonacci sequence. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. So the important thing to keep in mind is that no matter what news event is happening, and trust me, there's going to be many, and there's going to be many more, no matter what news event is happening, what country is going to ban crypto, what country is going to make crypto legal, it doesn't matter what news article happens in 2024, trust the charts. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. And if Bitcoin has done something consistently for many cycles in a multitude of years, what do you think is more likely? Bitcoin does something it's never done before and surprises everyone and goes completely off the tracks, or Bitcoin does something very, very similar to what it's done for its entire history. What one is more likely? To you, it may sound like this is more likely, but that opportunity never happens. There's never such a news event that completely changes everything. What Bitcoin usually does is exactly what it's been doing for its entire history. So when it rallied up here, guess what? The Bitcoin whale supposedly sold at $49,000 or $48,000, which leads me to believe if he was an idiot buying right near the top, okay? And by the way, I say idiot loosely. Like, I bought near the top when I first started investing. It took me so many years to figure out how to do it correctly. So I say the idiot term in a joking manner, but if he bought near the top like this, it's not a very wise move, especially to be investing 5 billion. I wish he called somebody with at least a small amount of intelligence to tell him that this is not a good idea. However, he did hold through this whole crash, right? Instead of selling near the bottom, which the high majority of people would do, he held through the bottom. For that, I give him a huge round of applause. That's very difficult to do, and it takes a high level of emotional intelligence to accomplish said goal. With that said, he held through this time, and he was just waiting to break even or make a little bit of money. And he sold right up here, which leads me to believe there's a high probability he watches our channel, because I don't think anybody else was really screaming that this was a good place to take profits, especially after the ETF approval. And we didn't even address the ETF approval. It really had that much weight. It belonged right in the garbage. I told you from the beginning. And whether they approved it, denied it, or whatever in between, the charts are going to continue to do what they're already priced in to do. And he took profits up here, which supposedly netted him about 100 million in profit, because on a $5 billion investment, 100 million is not much of a percentage gain, but he still gained 100 million from selling there. And this triggered people to start anticipating, hey, is the market manipulated? Did this whale manipulate the market and crash Bitcoin? Or did Bitcoin just do the exact same thing it's been doing for 10 years? Like, you decide. It's very obvious. So this is complete lies. There's no Bitcoin whale. There's no market manipulation that can change the facts on the charts. It's never happened in any market. You show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. It's that simple. To show love, I'm making a free altcoin trade alert bonus video. This will be emailed directly to you if you're on my email list. If you're not, you better sign up right now. It takes 3 seconds and it's free. On top of that, for free, you're also going to get behind the scenes charts that are not shown here on YouTube. And as you love, altcoin trade alert setups that are not shown here, emailed directly to you every week for free. No hidden charges, none of that BS. Just awesome stuff for free. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com. Don't miss out on this. In any market, go to look at any market. There's no news event that altered a market. It's never happened. News events draw people in because it gives you a narrative in one sentence that's easy to remember. Where the charts are, you have to have some skills to understand the charts and to read the charts and to comprehend what the charts are saying. That is a skill. To read a news headline, Bitcoin crashes because whale sold, that's easy for people to remember, and it makes sense to them, and they'll remember that narrative, and then they'll tell all their friends. That's how news spreads, right? The news is not there to help you. The news is there to take advantage of you. They just want you to click. That's how they get paid. So they'll put obnoxious things in the headline just to get you to click so they can make money. They don't care about you. That's also true with like 99% of the crypto industry. They don't give a SHIT about you, and you know that. Well, you may not know that yet, but almost everything in crypto is a fraud, is a scam. And if I were here doing paid ads, I mean, I would be right along with everybody. If I had affiliate links down below, I'd be right along with everybody. I mean, if I was promoting things that were going to be a scam or already a scam or about to be a scam, where would that put me? We've never done any promotion, any paid ads on purpose. This is a dangerous industry, and our sole focus is to change 1 million lives. That's it. We're not here to try to glorify these other companies and, hey, go sign up to this and use promo code, and today's video is sponsored by. No. We create things with our own hands that actually help people and go to our mission of changing 1 million lives. I've never promoted anything on here ever that wasn't helping people change their life, period. So I want you to stay level-headed with the charts and trust nothing and nobody, including me. Trust the charts and the charts only, and this will lead you into the correct direction. But to have this narrative that something is manipulated, oh, Bitcoin is manipulated, wake the hell up. Every chart in the world is manipulated in some way, shape, or form by the biggest shareholders, period. That will always be true. So why try to fight this battle? Focus on the facts and the charts. It's already priced in, all the manipulation that's gonna happen, because it will happen, but it's all priced in. So why try to fight the battle of being a detective when you're not a detective? Focus on the charts. This is what will help you. So play this video over and over and over again in 2024, because there will be tons more news events that are going to change the world forever. And they're either going to scare the crap out of you or make you so excited you pee your pants. Both of those are trash. Throw them right into the trash, because it's never going to happen. What's going to happen instead? Bitcoin will continue doing the same moves that it's done everybody. Hit that subscribe button. To show love, I'm making a free altcoin trade alert bonus video. This will be emailed directly to you if you're on my email list. If you're not, you better sign up right now. It takes 3 seconds and it's free. On top of that, for free, you're also going to get behind the scenes charts that are not shown here on YouTube. And as you love, altcoin trade alert setups that are not shown here, emailed directly to you every week for free. No hidden charges, none of that BS. Just awesome stuff for free. Go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out on this.